Homework check 11.4.
Go.
The first question, we have to find the area of the triangle. So we want equilateral triangle equals 1/4 of s squared square root of 3. So we could just plug in the numbers. So 1/4 times 5 squared times the square root of 3. So 25 over 4 square root of 3 is the area for 1. For question number 2, we have to find the area and perimeter of a regular polygon. So we have area equals 1/2 a times b. So 360 divided by 8 equals 45, and 45 divided by 2, so you can get that one angle, which is 22.5. So then we can draw another triangle, or pull that triangle out. So we have AX,
And have
the
me
right
singing
triangle
on
on
here.
12, and then the angle area is 22.5. So then now you can take the sine and cosine. So sine of 22.5 equals x over 12. So 12 sine of 22.5 equals x. And cosine
This is just so hard to read.
of 22.5 equals
Very, like,
a over
babbling.
12. So 12 cosine of 22.5 equals a. And that could be for equation. So, and then one side equals 24 sine of 22.5 because the 12 sine of 22.5 was
Oh my
half, so you
god,
have
I'm
to
gonna
take the
start
plus 2.
coughing.
So the perimeter is 8 times 24 sine of 22.5 because there's 8 sides, and then you'll get perimeter equal 192 sine of 22.5. And now you just plug in the equation, so 8 equals 1/2 of 12 cosine of 22.5 times 192 sine of 22.5. Plugging that into your calculator, you get an area to equal 407.29, and a perimeter equals 73.47. Question 3, we have to do the same thing as we did for number 2. So we can have 360 divided by 5 equals 72, and divided by 72 and a half again, so 72 divided by 2 equals 36. And then you draw take the triangle out, so AX 7 and 36 in the right triangle. So you have sine of 36 equals x over 7. 7 sine of 36 equals x. And then you'll have cosine of 36 equals a over 7. So 7 cosine of 36 equals a. And we know there's one side equals 14 sine of 36 because you times x times 2. And now the perimeter equals 70 sine of 36 because there are 5 sides. And plugging that in the equation you need to use is 1/2 times 7 cosine of 36 times 70 sine of 36. And plugging that into your calculator, you get area to equal 46.504, and perimeter equals 31.144. For question 4, we have to do the same thing as we did before. So we have 360 divided by 8 equals 45, and 45 divided by 2 equals 22.5. So we know already that I'm just drawing the triangle on the right. When we are ready, we can do the tan of 22.5 equals x over 9. 9 tangent of 22.5 equals x. And there's one side, so it'd equal 18 tangent of 22.5. And the perimeter would equal 144 tangent of 22.5. And we know already that a equals 9 from the picture. So a equals 1/2 times 9 times 144 tangent of 22.5. Plugging that into your calculator, you get area to equal 268.41 and perimeter to equal 59.646. For question 5, we have to find the area of the shaded region. So we should draw the triangle. So
That being
you have A,
46.74.
11.56. So you can take 360 divided by 10 equals 36. So divide that by 2, which is 18. So A equals
Crap, I can't find that yet, can I?
11.56
You have to do like the side of cosine.
cosine
What?
18.
Keep going.
And x equals 11.56 cosine of 18. On one side equals 23.12 sine of 18 because of that was half, so we have to times by 2, and the perimeter equals 231.2 sine of 18. And then you have A equals 1/2 AP to use that equation. So A equals 1/2 times 11.56 cosine 18 times 231.2 sine of 18, which is around 392.739. And then you have pi times 11.56 squared. Then you can get 419.82 minus 392.73, which gives us 27.083 because we have to find the shared area, so that is our final answer. For question 6, we have to find the area of the shaded region. So we're just trying to triangle over there to help us. So we have 93 divided by 360 times pi times 7.5 squared minus 1/2 of 15 sine of 46.5.
I just keep going. We'll say because of x equals something.
7.5 cosine of 46.5. And then you get x equals 7.5 and you get x
Crap, I
equals
did this wrong
7.5 sine
again.
of 46.5 and base equals 15 sine of 46.5 and h equals 7.5 cosine of 46.5.
That all equals.
So that was how we got the equation before, and that's around 17.5648. For the first question number 7, we have to do the same thing. So
I can't even see what you're writing on.
we
Exactly.
can draw a triangle.
Such a crappy camera you never can see.
You can have it's a 90, 30, and then 3, 6, and 3 squared root of 3. So then you get one side equals 6 square root of 3. So you times that by 3 square root of 3 times 2. So you get A equals 1/4 s squared square root of 3 equals 1/4 of 6 square root of 3 squared square root of 3. So then you get 36.3 1/4 times 100 square root of 3, so 2 square root of 3. Then you get pi times 6 squared minus 27 times square root of 3. Then you get around the area to equal 66.332. The last question, number 8, we have to find the area of the shaded region. So we can take 92 divided by 360 to find the angle thing, and then times pi times 5.4 squared minus 1/2, and
crap.
and then she's
So then I can have.
she's just writing next time. So
You can't even see what you're writing on yours. It doesn't even matter.
10.8 sine of 46. 5.4 cosine of 4.46.
Because they're bad cameras.
You can have 23.41 minus 14.57 equals 8.84 with leaving us with